Hi everyone, this is Joseph, your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have 2 hidden secrets for notifications on your LG V40 ThinQ. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to give you 2 hidden tricks on notifications for your LG V40 ThinQ. I want to shout out Big Dog and Android Stud, who was having a discussion in our GroupMe chat, and these 2 things came up. So I decided to make a video because they might help you out. You may not even know where they at, or that the LG V40 could do the second one. Big Dog was the one that brought up the second one I'm going to show you today. It's actually pretty cool, and it looks really good too. The first hidden trick I'm going to show you is how to get flash notifications on your LG V40 ThinQ. Pretty easy. You want to go into your settings. You want to find accessibility. Then you want to go to hearing. And right there, you see flash alerts, flash blinks for incoming calls, messages, and alarms. Make sure that's turned off. Make sure that is turned on, because normally it comes turned off. So make sure that's on. And what that does, so when you have your phone laying down, and let me call myself. All right, so when you call yourself, you will get this if you have your phone down. So that's pretty cool. It will flash until you can pick it up. Now, if you work somewhere where you can't have your phone on, you only can have it on vibrate or silence, and you need to have it on your desk, this is a great way of letting you know about notifications. Or if you just don't want the ringing too loud, at least you know your phone is getting an incoming call or even messages on there. That's pretty cool. That was step number 1. Alright, so the second one of this is actually the coolest one. Bam, let's go into notifications this time. Bam, if you go into notifications here, right there it says side light. If you actually press on it, it tells you what it does. It lights part of the screen to show notifications when the screen is off. This feature may not work with some notification types and settings. So when you first get your phone, that's off. So you want to make sure that's on. Come back. Let me try this again. This time I will text myself. So now once I text myself, you can see that I will get the flash notification too. But the screen lights up similar to the Samsung phones. It lights up yellow. Some good things and some bad things about this feature. You can't change the color of the notifications yourself. They set up for different ones. And there's no customization. You can't say, hey, I want to work for this app and not this app. Can't pick them. They just light a different color. For example, I'm going to tweet myself now too. So you can see that the tweet comes up a different color. As you can tell there, if I get a tweet or any type of notification from Twitter, it will light up a blue color. I've seen red already. I've seen yellow for text. There's different colors that will come up. I wish you could actually change the colors yourself, but you really can't. So that's something LG might be able to work in the future. But that was 2 hidden tricks on your LG V40. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this video in the comments below. If I helped you out any today, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the LG V40 ThinQ. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.